Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm showing you the newest feature that was being released by Atlassian, and that is the summary. So we're not talking about the summary, but when you go to the project settings and you click on the summary, you get just, the overview of all of those things in there. No, it's this summary right here, where you can actually see the completed issues in last 7 days, the updated issues in the last 7 days, which ones were created, which ones are due in the next 7 days. And when you click on this, it automatically redirects you to the list where it says that basically these are the issues that were updated in the last 7 days, and you can actually see what was going on in there when you actually click on that issue, for example. So you're looking for this one, and I want to see what was going on in there, and you can see the activity, what was actually happening. So there's one thing about the summary. You get more things. Okay, so originally the summary option was only available for the business projects, but now, as you can see, I'm in the software development project, so the summary is also available for those types of projects. You can also see the status overview. You can see the total issues. You can also see how many issues are in to do, how many are like in architecture review, how many of them are in progress, how many of them are actually done. And you also have the option for recent activity, what was actually happening within this whole project. And this is not only focused on one issue, this is focused for all of the issues within this specific project. And you can actually see how this is visual appealing to us. It's like you can imagine this, and you can, if you were thinking about having a dashboard with all of those gadgets around, you're right. It's like the gadgets themselves, but as you can see, these gadgets are like more, if I can say, having a fixed type of size, but that size fits perfectly within this specific page. And also you have the option for the priority breakdown, where you can actually see how many of your issues are actually in the critical status, how many of them are in the highest, how many of them are in the medium, and everything else. And for critical, you can actually just click on this, and you can actually say, oh, these features are actually in the critical status, we should pay attention to it. Then you also have the type of work, right? And when it comes to the type of work, you're getting the breakdown of each issue types. You get for how many stories are there, how many subtasks, how many epics, how many bugs, and all of those things. So it's really, really good. Another great thing that you're actually having is the team workload, where you can actually monitor the capacity of your team. This is actually pretty great, because if someone is having too much stuff that has been assigned to them, you can also see to get that burden that they're actually having right now and assign that to the other members of your team, which is pretty good. And you can actually see the work distribution in here, and you can see for each assignee how much work they're actually working on. So that is pretty great. You also have this option for the epics, where you can actually see what is the status of your epic, right? How many of your things you have to do, how many of your things you needs to be done, how many things are done, and how many things are actually in the progress status itself. So this summary view is pretty great. So this actually gives you like a real overview that you wanted to actually see. So this is how the summary can actually help you out. And that is everything that I had to say. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel as well. See you in the next video. Bye.